New Jersey is the diner state, and I'm here to try the best ones. I'm at Summit Diner, rated #1 by NJ.com. Let's eat. Got the Diner Classic Disco Fries. Fries, cheese, all doused in gravy. That's delicious. The gravy is perfectly salty, balances the cheese out really well. And the fries are still a little bit crispy, soaked up all that gravy. Look at this. Got 3 layers of Taylor ham, egg, and cheese. This is New Jersey. Delicious. Based on what I got, it's a solid diner. I would give it a 8.5 out of 10. If you're in the area, check it out.